Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise in support of this amendment. I, too, voted against this in committee, the underlying bill. But I think that this amendment makes the bill a good piece of legislation that I'm proud to support. I want to thank the chairman and the ranking member of the GAE committee for their good work on this amendment. And I had a question to the chairman through you, Madam Speaker.
Please prepare your question, sir.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. In Section 1, the amendment talks about how what will be disclosed is in the case where a warrant was obtained, the arrest warrant application, and in an on-site arrest, a summary indicating where the probable cause was determined. So essentially, the mirror of what would happen if you had a warrant and the arrest warrant application. Is that correct? Through you, Madam Speaker.
Representative Tutila.
Through you, Madam Speaker, that would be correct.
Representative Labriola.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. And I think that is critical to supporting this particular amendment, because what this does is it strikes a good balance. I know that the stakeholders were involved, Chief State's Attorney Kane, as well as the FOI Commission, and the state's attorney, his concern is to make sure that the public safety is not jeopardized in any way. And because the redacting of the police reports would happen in the case where there's an ongoing investigation, so that nothing would be threatened in terms of public safety, that part of the balance is taken care of. And as far as the public's right to know, there is going to be disclosure of the facts and circumstances of how probable cause was determined in these cases. And so we don't have too much disclosure. That's part of the balance. If we had too much disclosure, it could be inflammatory, as indicated, where videos or pictures which would be unfair to the victims and the victims' families in many criminal cases, and also could potentially prejudice a jury so that a defendant wouldn't be able to get a fair trial. So I do think that this strikes a good balance, and for all those reasons, I ask adoption of this amendment. Thank you, Madam Speaker.